Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring three tricky words: most of, and almost.
These words look similar, but are completely different.
Understanding the differences is essential.
They're used constantly in everyday conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all three correctly.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words do.
They look similar, but they have different meanings and uses.
Most and most of talk about quantity.
Almost talks about being close to something.
Let's explore each one carefully.
Word 1, most.
Most means the majority or the largest part.
Structure, most plus plural noun, no article.
Most people like coffee. The majority of people.
Most students study hard, the majority of students.
Uses of most.
Use 1, talking about people or things in general.
Most children love candy. Children in general.
Most cars use gasoline, cars in general.
Use 2 as a superlative. The most.
This is the most beautiful place, superlative.
She's the most intelligent student. Superlative.
Word 2, most of.
Most of refers to a specific group.
Structure, most of plus the, my, these plus noun.
Most of the students in this class, specific students.
Most of my friends, specific friends, mine.
Uses of most of.
Use 1, talking about a specific defined group.
Most of the people at the party were friendly. Those specific people.
Most of my time is spent working, my specific time.
Use 2 with pronouns.
Most of us agree. Most of them left. Most of it is gone.
The key difference. Most versus most of.
Most equals general statement, no specific group.
Most people. People in general.
Most of the people, those particular people.
General versus specific.
Word 3, almost.
Almost means nearly or close to, but not quite.
It's an adverb, not about quantity.
Structure. Almost plus number, adjective, verb.
It's almost 3 p.m. I almost fell. She's almost ready.
Uses of almost.
Use 1, with numbers, nearly that amount.
I have almost $100. Close to 100, maybe 95.
It's almost 5 p.m., nearly 5, maybe 4:55.
Use 2 with actions that didn't happen.
I almost missed the bus. Didn't miss it, but close.
She almost won. Didn't win, but close.
Use 3 with adjectives, nearly in that state.
I'm almost ready. The work is almost finished.
The crucial difference between most and almost.
Most equals majority, talking about quantity.
Almost equals nearly, talking about degree or completion.
Completely different meanings. Let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, how was your weekend trip?
Great. We visited almost every museum in the city.
Wow, which ones did you see?
Most of the famous ones, the Art Museum, History Museum, and Science Museum.
That's a lot. Are you tired?
Yes, I'm almost exhausted. We walked so much.
I bet. Did you enjoy them?
Most museums were fascinating, but one was boring.
Which one?
The History Museum. Most of the exhibits were about wars, and I'm not interested in that.
Fair enough. Did you take photos?
Yes, I took almost 200 photos.
That's a lot. Can I see them?
Sure. Most of my photos are landscapes, but I have some of the exhibits too.
Did you notice all 3 words?
Almost every museum. Nearly all, but not quite.
Most of the famous ones, specific museums, the famous ones.
I'm almost exhausted, nearly exhausted.
Most museums were fascinating, museums in general.
Most of the exhibits, those specific exhibits.
Almost 200 photos, nearly 200.
Most of my photos, my specific photos.
All three used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using most of without an article or possessive.
Wrong. Most of students study. Correct. Most students study or most of the students study.
After most of, you need the, my, these, etc.
Mistake 2. Using almost instead of most.
Wrong. Almost people like coffee. Correct. Most people like coffee.
Almost is not for quantity, it's for nearness.
Mistake 3. Using most with specific groups.
Wrong. Most the students. Correct. Most of the students.
Specific groups need most of.
Mistake 4. Using most instead of almost with numbers.
Wrong. It's almost 3 p.m. Correct. It's almost 3 p.m.
Nearly equals almost, not most.
Mistake 5. Confusing almost all with most.
Almost all equals nearly 100%. Most equals majority, maybe 60 to 90%.
Similar but different degrees.
Most in different contexts.
General statements.
Most dogs are friendly. Most books have covers. Most water is safe to drink.
Superlatives.
The most expensive car. The most important thing. The most beautiful view.
Most of in different contexts.
With specific groups.
Most of my family lives nearby. Most of the food was delicious.
With pronouns.
Most of us are ready. Most of them agreed. Most of it is finished.
Almost in different contexts.
With time.
It's almost midnight. I almost forgot. We're almost there.
With quantities.
Almost everyone came. Almost nothing remains. Almost 50 people.
With adjectives.
Almost ready. Almost perfect. Almost impossible.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using most for general statements.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using most of for specific groups.
Day 3. Write 10 sentences using almost for nearness.
Day 4. Practice distinguishing between most and most of.
Day 5. Use almost with numbers and times.
Day 6. Notice which word native speakers use in different situations.
Day 7. Explain the differences to another learner.
By week's end, you'll master these.
Most with uncountable nouns.
Works the same way.
Most water is safe. Most information is online. Most advice is helpful.
General statements about uncountable things.
Most of with uncountable nouns.
Also works.
Most of the water in this bottle is gone. Most of the information was incorrect.
Specific amounts.
Almost all versus most.
Important distinction.
Almost all equals 95 to 99%, nearly everyone or everything.
Almost all students passed. Maybe 1 or 2 failed.
Most equals 60 to 90%, the majority, but some didn't.
Most students passed, but several failed.
Different percentages.
Almost never versus rarely.
Similar meanings.
Almost never means very rarely, but occasionally.
I almost never eat fast food, maybe once a year.
Rarely means not often.
I rarely eat fast food, same meaning.
Most of the time versus usually.
Same meaning.
Most of the time means in most situations.
I work from home most of the time, usually.
Usually means regularly, commonly.
I usually work from home. Same meaning.
Interchangeable.
At most versus at least.
Opposite meanings.
At most means maximum, no more than.
It takes at most 10 minutes, 10 minutes or less.
At least means minimum, no less than.
It takes at least 10 minutes, 10 minutes or more.
Maximum versus minimum.
Almost versus nearly.
These are synonyms.
Almost finished equals nearly finished.
Almost ready equals nearly ready.
Both mean close to.
Completely interchangeable.
Almost every versus most.
Subtle difference.
Almost every student passed. Maybe one or two failed.
Most students passed. Several could have failed.
Almost every is closer to 100%.
Making the right choice.
How to decide which word to use.
Ask, am I talking about a specific group? Yes, use most of my friends. No, use most people.
Ask, am I talking about quantity or nearness?
Quantity, use most students. Nearness, use almost ready.
Emphasis with most.
Making it stronger. The very most, by far the most. This is by far the most difficult test.
Adding emphasis.
Position in sentences.
Where these words go.
Most comes before the noun. Most people agree. Before noun.
Most of comes before article plus noun.
Most of the people agree. Before article.
Almost comes before what it modifies.
Almost ready. Almost 5 p.m. Almost fell.
Real-life examples.
At work.
Most employees are satisfied. General.
Most of the employees in this department are satisfied. Specific.
The meeting is almost over. Nearly finished.
Shopping.
Most stores close at 9 p.m. Stores in general.
Most of the stores in this mall close at 9 p.m. Specific stores.
I've almost finished my shopping. Nearly done.
Daily life.
Most days are good. Days in general.
Most of my days are busy. My specific days.
I almost forgot to call you. Nearly forgot.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more usage.
Describing habits.
Most people exercise regularly. People in general.
Most of my colleagues exercise at the gym. Specific colleagues.
I almost always exercise in the morning. Nearly always.
Food preferences.
Most children like chocolate. Children in general.
Most of the desserts at this restaurant are delicious. Specific desserts.
I almost never eat dessert. Rarely.
Technology usage.
Most smartphones have cameras. Smartphones in general.
Most of the apps on my phone are free. My specific apps.
My phone battery is almost dead. Nearly dead.
Different contexts.
Understanding percentages.
What each word implies.
Most equals approximately 60 to 90%.
Most students passed means majority, but not all.
Almost all equals approximately 95 to 99%.
Almost all students passed means nearly everyone.
All equals 100%.
All students passed means every single one.
Different degrees.
Most in negative sentences.
Works the same way.
Most people don't like spicy food. General statement.
Most of my friends don't drive. Specific friends.
Most in negative sentences.
Changes meaning.
I almost didn't come. Nearly stayed home, but came.
I almost never go there. Very rarely.
Negative context.
Comparing the three.
Same topic, different words.
Most students are ready. Majority of students in general.
Most of the students are ready. Majority of these specific students.
Almost all students are ready. Nearly every student.
The students are almost ready. Nearly in the state of being ready.
See the differences?
Most as a pronoun.
Can stand alone. Some came early, but most arrived on time. Most people.
I've tried several, and most were good. Most items.
Most of as a pronoun phrase.
With pronouns.
Most of them left. Most of it is finished. Most of us agree. Cannot be just most in these cases.
Almost with verb phrases.
Actions that nearly happened.
I almost called you. Didn't call, but close.
She almost quit her job. Didn't quit, but close.
We almost moved to Canada. Didn't move, but close.
Actions that didn't occur.
Most likely versus almost certainly.
Different expressions.
Most likely means probably.
It will most likely rain tomorrow. Probably.
Almost certainly means very probably.
He will almost certainly win. Very high probability.
Both show probability.
Fixed expressions with most.
Common phrases.
For the most part means generally, mostly.
The movie was, for the most part, entertaining.
At most means maximum.
It costs $20 at most. Maximum $20.
Make the most of means use fully.
Make the most of your time. Use it well.
Fixed expressions with almost.
Common sayings.
Almost there means nearly arrived.
We're almost there, nearly at the destination.
Almost always means nearly all the time.
I almost always have coffee. Usually.
Almost never means very rarely.
I almost never watch TV. Rarely.
Formal versus informal.
All three work in both.
Formal, most research indicates positive results.
Informal, most people think it's cool.
Formal, most of the data supports this theory.
Informal, most of my friends love it.
Formal, the project is almost complete.
Informal, I'm almost done.
Context matters.
Common errors review.
Let's review critical mistakes.
Never most of people, always most people, or most of the people.
Never almost people, always most people.
Never most the students, always most of the students.
Never it's most 3 p.m., always it's almost 3 p.m.
Never most of us is, always most of us are, plural verb.
These are crucial.
Deciding which to use.
Quick decision guide. Is there the, my, these, or pronoun after?
Yes, use most of.
No, and it's general, use most.
Are you talking about nearness or completion?
Yes, use almost. Quick review. Most means the majority. General statements. No article.
Most people, most students, most cars.
Most of means a specific group needs article or possessive.
Most of the people, most of my students, most of us.
Almost means nearly, close to but not quite.
Almost ready, almost 100, almost fell.
Most and most of talk about quantity.
Almost talks about degree or nearness.
After most of, you need the, my, these, us, etc.
Almost can't replace most for quantity.
Most equals majority, 60 to 90%. Almost all equals nearly 100%.
You now understand all three completely.
These small words make big differences in meaning.
Practice using them in your daily descriptions.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Blank people learn English. Use most.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.